Welcome to our deep dive into one of Mazda's most notable power plants, the 2.5 SkyActiv-G engine. First launched in 2012 for the Mazda CX-5 and Mazda 6, this four-cylinder engine combined modern efficiency with Mazda's hallmark driving spirit. In today's discussion, we'll explore its design and features, look at the systems that make it stand out, review its performance and applications, and examine known issues reported by owners over the years. The 2.5 SkyActiv-G was introduced as a successor to Mazda's older L5VE unit, bringing fresh engineering philosophies and improved performance. Following in the footsteps of the 2.0-litre SkyActiv-G, it applied similar design principles but introduced features tailored to its larger displacement and torque output. The 2.5-litre engine employs an aluminum alloy cylinder block, helping reduce weight and improve fuel efficiency. Inside, the bores are crafted from a 4,340 steel molybdenum alloy, enhancing durability. The cylinder head, made from aluminum silicon, houses dual overhead camshafts, DOHC, and 4 valves per cylinder. Forged steel crankshafts, forged connecting rods, and lightweight aluminum pistons keep mass down while improving overall strength. These updates, combined with lighter internals, reduce friction by up to 30% compared to older Mazda designs. A gear-driven balancing system features 2 shafts spinning at twice the crankshaft speed. This setup helps curb vibration, leading to smoother operation, a noteworthy plus for a 4-cylinder engine of this displacement. Mazda upgraded the fuel delivery with high-pressure direct injection. Fuel is injected straight into the combustion chamber through 6-hole injectors, creating a finer fuel-air mix that boosts both power and efficiency. These engines are marketed under the SkyActiv-G banner largely due to their high compression ratio. Most global markets see a 14.0 to 1 ratio, while the US, Canada, and Australia typically get a 13.0 to 1 variant for compatibility with available fuel grades. A longer 4-to-1 header helps prevent the reintroduction of hot exhaust gases, improving combustion efficiency. However, this design can slow catalytic converter warm-up times, prompting Mazda to delay ignition timing during cold starts to bring the converter up to temperature faster. Mazda's start-stop technology uses a combination of an electric starter and combustion to restart the engine. By identifying which cylinder is in the correct stroke position and igniting fuel there, restarts can happen in as little as 0.35 seconds, quicker and less stressful on the starter motor. Refined metallurgy and precise engineering techniques significantly cut friction across the engine's moving parts, allowing for smoother operation and better overall reliability. Depending on market and tuning, the 2.5 SkyActiv-G produces between 184 and 189 horsepower at 5,800 revolutions per minute and around 250 Newton-meters of torque at 3,250 revolutions per minute. You'll find this engine in models like the Mazda CX-5, Mazda 6, and even certain trims of the Mazda 3. Its balance of output and fuel economy quickly made it a go-to choice for Mazda's mid-range and larger passenger vehicles. Displacement, 2.5 litres, bore 89 millimeters and stroke 100 millimeters. Valve train, DOHC, 4 valves per cylinder, dual SVT, variable valve timing. Recommended oil, SAE 5W30 or 5W20. In the US and Canada, 0W20 is common. Oil capacity, approximately 4.5 litres including filter. Despite its solid reputation, a few recurring points have been noted by owners and mechanics. Until around 2021, some engines experience coolant leaks caused by cracks in the cylinder head. Mazda engineers revised the design to address and largely eliminate this issue in later models. Like most direct injection engines, the intake valves on the 2.5 SkyActiv-G can accumulate carbon deposits over time, Periodic cleaning or the use of top-tier fuels can help minimize buildup. There are a few documented cases of timing chain replacements around the 200,000 kilometers mark. Though not widespread, it's something owners should monitor as mileage increases. The thin oil scraper rings in these engines may lead to higher oil consumption past roughly 150,000 kilometers. Regularly checking oil levels and using high-quality engine oil can help mitigate potential wear. The Mazda 2.5 SkyActiv-G engine stands as a strong example of Mazda's commitment to balancing efficiency and driving enjoyment. Its high compression ratio, direct injection, and unique exhaust design combine to deliver notable fuel economy and spirited performance. While a handful of owners have reported coolant leaks, timing chain replacements, or increased oil usage at higher mileages, overall reliability remains high. For drivers seeking a lively, efficient, and reasonably robust power plant, the 2.5 SkyActiv-G continues to be a standout option in Mazda's lineup. Whether you're an avid car enthusiast or simply in the market for a dependable daily driver, it's worth giving this engine a closer look. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. These simple actions will help the channel grow. See you soon. More to come.